Hey, 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 guys, it's Ryan's Rad Reality. Here we go. Friday night, baby. TGIF. I don't really like that. That's kind of blasphemy, in my opinion. Here we are. Time for a tour of Lego City, the Lego Room. It also has the G.I. Joe aircraft carrier in there, so you're going to get some of that too. First up, we got the auto body shop. He's in there repairing that car. Fire department. Some sets are ones I made, some Melody made, some are pre-built sets by Lego, like the fire department. I built the bank. There you'll see the bank. Here's a little farm that Melody and Grace and I all kind of put together. We have a 7-Eleven there, and here's a building on fire, but our heroes, the fire department's trying to put it out. There's a look down Main Street. There's a farm. Here across the street, we have a band rocking out. We've got a little crowd there, a pool party going on. Also, you'll see our law enforcement right next door, and they're in attendance to make sure everybody behaves themselves. Here we have the church and the cemetery. The movie theater here. I don't know what's playing, but maybe Lego movie. Here's the cafe. We have a little coffee shop, McDonald's, a little house there. Here's our airport. Little stunt plane and then a actual passenger plane. This is the airport tower. Now, kind of swinging around here to give you a view of, it's Lex Luthor in his power armor. He wants to take out Superman. Superman's on the roof of the fire department. I don't know if you saw him earlier or not. Anyways, going down, kind of going crazy here, but there's a view of the cemetery. She's consoling him. He's weeping at someone's grave. Here we have the pastor. He just married this couple, and there's the communion cup and the bread. Going to swing around here and try to give you a different view down the main drag there. My Lego City is just a main drag. It's just buildings on both sides, ocean at the end, and a street. Here's the Coast Guard ship. A couple of jet skis, a fishing boat with Gimli the dwarf fishing. Weird. And I'm really giving you a good look at him. Just a little close-up view of some of the things going on as we walk down Main Street. Comment if you see something funny or unusual that I haven't talked about. Because there's a lot of little things going on. That camper's Melody's camper with her bike on top. There's Captain America. Just, Lego's a fun hobby we like to do. It's something I can do with the whole family because all of us like it. Yeah, I enjoy Lego. So, who doesn't, right? Yeah, Lex Luthor gonna terrorizing the city. He's got a hold of some poor lady there in his hand. He's just doing that to bait Superman in because he wants a fight. They better hurry up and get that fire under control or else they're going to catch that 7-Eleven on fire. Here we go. This is a G.I. Joe aircraft carrier from 1985. Interesting thing about this aircraft carrier, it actually belonged to my friend. My mother, he got it for Christmas in 1985 when we were 6 years old. And my mother and his mother were friends, and they were Christmas shopping together. My mom was there when she got this for him. Years went by. He sold it to his cousin. I kept that in the back of my mind. And then when I was probably 19 or 20 years old, I went and spoke to that cousin of my friend, and I bought it back. And I've had it ever since. So this is the aircraft carrier from my childhood that me and my friend played with many, many times. Great play set. Probably, in my opinion, maybe the best play set ever made. Here's the G.I. Joe battle platform. That was from another friend of mine who just gave it to me as an adult. He had it from when he was a kid. Yeah, check it out. Cool thing about the USS Flag is you can just set up whatever you want, however you want on it. I like to change it up and change it around from time to time. Of course, I've got Keel Haul. He's the admiral of the ship. I'm going to try and give you a little bit of a view here of the inside. I'm kind of moving this with one hand. Inside of what the aircraft carrier looks like, your controls and steering wheel and stuff like that. There's 4 little rooms there. Not really a whole lot to them if you want to know the truth. Good times. I could not wait to get to my friend's house to play with that thing whenever I got the chance. Okay. I think we'll be moving on here. Oh, we're going to take a look at some of the vehicles individually. Here's the Dragonfly. And the Conquest. Lift ticket? What? What's he doing flying it? Well, I can't find my Slipstream. And lift ticket's what I got. That was the G.I. Joe Locust, a little helicopter. Going to look at some pirate ships now. These are my pirate ships. This is my blimp, for the same one from my childhood. So this would be like 1993 blimp. Of course, it's been broken and put back together, and had to make modifications and stuff. It's not in its original condition or shape. Then we just have some different pirate ships here. This is a Chinese Faco Lego thingy. But I thought it was a pretty cool set. I put George Washington up there to drive the ship because I just thought he matched it well. Yeah, when I was a kid, I was Lego pirate crazy. The early 90s was big time Lego pirates. This is my ship from my childhood. Again, it's not in its correct shape because it's had to have been put back together and modified about 1,000 times. But this is the shape it's in now. That's the Armada flagship. That is the actual one from when I was a kid that Mom and Dad got me. Here's a Chinese Lego knockoff pirate ship. Pretty cool one. Pretty big one. And it's got all kinds of crazy stuff going on. Pretty busy. I like the yellow and black color scheme. For some reason, I put a blue ninja on the bridge. I don't know, maybe the pirates hired him. Oh, there's a Native American also with a tomahawk. And there's Jack Sparrow. So this pirate ship's kind of got a little bit of everybody on it. Here's another Chinese ripoff, Lego ripoff. The pirate ship. I'm not a huge fan of this one because, I mean, it's cool looking, but man, you touch it and it about falls apart just looking at it. It is flimsy. Let you get a little side view of that. Okay. And here's a little pirate ship from the 80s. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's called Rum Runner. If I'm not right, correct me if I'm wrong. And there's that classic Lego pirate captain. Love that guy. Okay. And there's my little Viking ship, and that is my actual little Viking ship from when I was a kid. Okay. Moving on from Lego Pirates on to, we're back at Lego City. Just showing you, the whole room. Just showing you the room in general. Melody's trying to escape. Got, and then I'll show you my building area here. Here's where I have my building area. We've got all my colors sorted out. And here's my bins with all the different stuff. Hair, heads, accessories, torsos. whatever a person needs to put some minifigs together. That's a lot of heads, man. Yeah, that's it. That is pretty much the Lego room. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.